Peace. So if you still believe that Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, is God, answer this question. Does God know everything? Yes, God knows everything. Everyone would agree with that. But did Jesus know everything? I mean, in Mark chapter 13, verse 32, Jesus didn't know the hour. Only the Father knows the hour. And in Mark chapter 5, verse 30, Jesus didn't know who touched his clothes. Imagine God coming down, wearing clothes, being touched, and then turning around and wondering, oh, who touched my clothes? Does that make sense to you?
No!
Jesus was not all-knowing. Only the Father knows everything. And therefore, Jesus is not God. Peace!